Okay, we're in the entrance. Quite dark, plenty of space though. I'll turn the light on. Just needs a lick of paint. The floor's nice, tiled, very nice. Utility room, quite big. Can't see much though. First room. Now the carpet isn't too bad here. It smells quite clean. But the walls need painting and the ceiling. Nice light. Go to the window. See the window frame needs sanding down and painting. The windows just need a lick of paint. Good. Big room. Back out. Walk along into the next room. This room is in a bad condition. The floor is terrible. And so the walls, scan up the walls, they've got holes in the walls, all need filling. Filling and painting, but not too bad. Probably the most expensive thing in here is floor. You see the wall there. Just in bad condition. And the same again here with the window, needs sanding down and painting. Easily done though. But another big room. I would say good 18 square meters. And here is the shower room. Start at the bottom. The shower tray itself isn't too bad. It just needs something on the front to tidy it up. The tiles are okay, but the walls got damp on, so they need sorting and painting. The window needs painting, and we need some sort of shower head to go on. By the looks of it, the shower works off the tap from the sink. So maybe just an extended pipe and shower head. And a curtain. And it wouldn't be too bad. Another little room here. I think they were using this as a kitchen maybe, I don't know. Probably best for the washing machine, but it's a good laundry room, which would be a good renting point. The toilet. The toilet's fine. Just needs a clean. Maybe they'll paint the window. But the walls are fine. Smells okay. Clean. This room, I presume this was the kitchen. There's plenty of sockets on the wall. And this again is not too bad at all. It just needs paint and some kitchen units. But this room and the room next door, they've got this partition. And the board's got not on very well at the bottom, as you can see. The windows here are great. Just a quick lick of paint again. Nice view outside. And the floor needs something on the floor. And the glass is smashed there on the door, which is a shame. So that needs sorting as well. So back out. There's the front door there. The door's got a bit of damage, so it probably needs recovering. And into this room. And there's that partition I was telling you about, which goes to the kitchen room. Which needs fixing. And this room is probably a bedroom. Again, needs a good lick of paint. Maybe a new floor. Some damp on the wall down there, but that just wipes off, I would say, and paint. And lots of little holes which need filling. But the window frames here again are great. And it could be another nice room. You can see it's very big. And back out.